friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Mint Sprunki. So first we're going to get started with the hair on the top. So on the left hand side, let's draw a diagonal line coming in. From that corner, we're going to bring this diagonal line further across towards the center. Now from that point, bringing this line down. Again, we're going to bring this line out on the right and then bringing that back in. From that corner, we're going to bring this line directly across and then back down. Now from here, on that point, we're going to bring this diagonal line further down, ending that at roughly the same height. Now from here, on both sides, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes in towards the center. On the right-hand side, we're going to draw in a diagonal line coming up and then back down. We'll bring this diagonal line in towards the middle. And then from that point, bringing this back across. Now from here, we're going to draw in a small diagonal line coming up and then back down. From here again, let's bring this line across. And then we're going to bring that up and then back down again. Now on the top left, in the center, drawing in two diagonal lines coming out on both sides. And then we're going to draw in a straight line across. On the right, we're going to draw in two more diagonal lines coming over, and then another straight line across. And then the last time on the left, two more diagonal lines, bringing those over, and then closing that off again with another straight line on the top. Now from here, closing off the bottom of the face, we're going to start by drawing in a nice big arch line, curving this line all the way around, and then in towards the right. For our left eye, we're going to start by drawing in a circle. So we're going to curve this line through underneath our hair first. And then we're going to continue this circle as we come all the way around and then back in on the left. And we'll do the same on the right. So curving this line across behind her hair. And then we're going to start underneath, arching this line back around and then in towards the top. Now in the center for the pupil on the left hand side, we're going to start by drawing in a circle, and then on the top left, just drawing in another circle. Let's move over on the right, drawing in a bigger circle in the middle. And then again, moving in towards the center, drawing in a smaller circle. Let's draw in some eyelashes underneath now. So we're going to draw in three diagonal lines as we come out on the bottom. And then we'll do the same on the right. We're going to come up one more time, drawing in another diagonal line that comes out on both sides. For the mouth, we're going to draw in a triangle in the center. Now for the hair, we're going to draw in a diagonal line coming out. Do the same on the right. Let's bring this diagonal line in. We're going to bring this line back up and then down. And then again, we're going to bring this line across. And then from that point, bringing this line in towards our chin. Now for the torso, we're going to bring a diagonal line that comes out on the left as well as on the right. And then now from here, let's close this off with a curved line from left to right. And that is it. That's how you draw Mint from Incredibox Sprunki. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all in the next one.